Introducing Power BI by Microsoft. Power BI is a cloud-based business analytics service, enabling anyone and everyone to visualize and analyze your data with greater speed, efficiency, and understanding. Get started with Power BI in seconds. Just sign up and you good to go. Within minutes, you will see your data in new ways thanks to content packs, pre-built dashboards, and reports by popular service providers like Salesforce.com and Google Analytics. And in one dashboard, you experience a live 360-degree view of your business. Monitor your data in real time from nearly any device across all major operating systems. Set up mobile alerts to your phone when your data changes and share your reports and dashboard with easy. Drag and drop feature enable you to go deeper with your data. Explore it new ways by asking simple questions. No need to learn new language with Power BI. Easy, clean, shape and model your data to create impactful shareable reports. Power BI, experience your data, any way, anywhere, anytime. Sign up Power BI today. Thank you.